The unprecedented challenges posed by COVID-19 couldn't impose hindrances in the spirit of the nation to run the world's largest vaccination drive. The pace with which India successfully inoculated 100 crores of its population is a milestone, and to achieve this feat, rigorous efforts have been made, from funding labs to developing infrastructure to creating platforms like COVID. Earlier this month, when PM Modi inaugurated 35 PSA oxygen plants across 35 states and UTs, he stated that we'll cross the 100 crore vaccination mark soon. COVID has shown the world how an exercise of this scale is done. In an exclusive interview with PBNS, Indian cardiologist and a former honorary physician to 3 former presidents of India, Dr. Mohsin Wali shares various facets about the largest vaccination drive around the world. He states that people are willing to get vaccinated, which suggests faith in our indigenous vaccine. This milestone does not call for celebration, but rather a positive note that we have vaccinated our population and protect our population from this deadly virus.
Well, India is a huge country, and our Prime Minister is making up people's mind. We also, you also, media also, audio visual media is making people's mind and removing all the doubts. And on the birthday of the Prime Minister, we achieved the record vaccinations of more than 2.5 crores. So this all shows that people are now willing to get vaccinated. They have full faith in our indigenous vaccines, and luckily we have our safe vaccines to people, and people are accepting vaccines. And only recently we have added children vaccine to 18 years of age, and even before that we had added Zycov-2 for a smaller group of children. So this all combines, we have at least 3 vaccines for adults and common overlapping with 1-2 vaccines for children. And this, as you rightly said, our vaccination numbers are more than some European countries combined. So this is a great number, and it calls for I would not say celebration, it calls for a positive note and happy note that we are able to vaccinate our population and protect our population from this deadly virus.
India rolled out the world's largest vaccination drive on January 16th to vaccinate around 30 crore priority groups against the coronavirus disease. Today, we stand in solidarity by inoculating the 100 crore population. India not only exercised vaccines as a tool to protect its own population, but extended helping hands to other nations in need. Dr. Wali states that India has the tremendous capacity and we will be able to supply the whole world. He says that we will vaccinate the whole world.
We have tremendous capacity, and PM has promised that in the days to come we will be able to supply the whole world. As I was telling for last 2 years, that India has been supplying vaccines throughout the world, and we have tremendous capacity to make vaccines, and we have to fill the gaps for the less richer countries, poor countries who do not have vaccines, who are short of vaccines. So India is already ready to help immediately whenever the demand comes, and we are in a position to make enough vaccine. एक अरब टीका तैयार है, और हम लोग बहुत जल्दी वर्ल्ड को वैक्सीनेट करेंगे और हमारे देश का नाम ऊंचा उठाएंगे। और इसके लिए मैं अपने सभी वैज्ञानिकों को, लैब्स को, साइंटिस्ट को, रिसर्च लैब्स को, और जो टीके को टेस्ट करती हैं, लॉब कसौली जैसी लैब्स को जो बिहाइंड द सीन काम कर रहे हैं, उन सबको आह्वान करता हूँ, मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, एंड आई वेलकम देम, एंड आई थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दिस पॉइंट इन. India is a great country. India will remain a great country.
Although India is embarking on a journey to provide shields to its citizens, it is our responsibility to follow protocols to ensure our own safety. Dr. Wali suggests following COVID-appropriate behavior during festivals and wedding season and extends his wishes to the whole country.
Always remains that even if you are vaccinated, don't forget to wear the mask. This is ultimate protection. Yes. So this is vaccine. Vaccine number 1. After this comes vaccine, and after that comes social hygiene, social distancing, and other things like sanitization, hand wash, room sanitization, sprays. So all this combined, it will not only protect from COVID, it is protecting us from TB, flu, other viral infections, pollution, so many other diseases. So we have to get used to this protocol, which is called COVID appropriate behavior, and eat very simple food, eat vitamins, don't go out without work. I'm seeing these days, my wife had gone to market and she came back very nervous. And she said there's a lot of crowd, which is unwanted. So my message is please follow the adequate protocol and please do not go out without proper work and stay home and celebrate your festival. I wish all the people their festivals. This weekend is full of festivals, and I wish them all happiness, and I wish them health and good luck. And go ahead with the vaccine for children.
100 crore is just a mark. The vaccination will be continued and more feats are ahead of us to be achieved. Well, that is all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.